Remove the card pin. Connecting the battery. Install the remote control battery. Pay attention to distinguishing between positive and negative poles. This button can calibrate the angle of the front wheels. Speed adjustment button. Turn angle adjustment button. Rotate the button to the right to increase the front wheel turning angle. Rotate the button to the left to reduce the front wheel turning angle. It can even lock the front wheels and prevent turning. If you accidentally touch this button, please return to the original position. If your remote control car has similar damage, don't worry. This is just a protective film. The car shell is not damaged. What is damaged is the protective film. It is not recommended that you remove the protective film. Ordinary motor. Large brushless motor. The motor roars louder. Brushless motors have faster speeds. You can purchase all its components here. Don't worry about irreparable damage. Thanks.